Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the JBL Live Beam 3 earbuds, and before you make a choice on your next true wireless earbuds, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done all the research, tested every feature, and I'll leave a link to the best price in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn about the JBL Live Beam 3 and whether they're worth your investment. We'll cover everything from price point, performance metrics, and real-world usage scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The JBL Live Beam 3 stands out immediately, with its revolutionary smart charging case featuring a 1.45-inch touchscreen display, a game changer that gives you complete control over your audio experience without ever touching your phone. This innovative feature works seamlessly across all your devices including laptops, TVs, smartphones, and tablets, making these earbuds perfect for tech enthusiasts and multitaskers who demand versatility. The technical specifications are impressive, starting with the 10mm dynamic drivers that deliver JBL's signature sound with high-res audio wireless certification. These drivers are meticulously tuned to produce deep, punchy bass, crystal clear mids, and refined high frequencies at any volume level. Additionally, the true adaptive noise-canceling technology utilizes 4 noise-sensing microphones that automatically adjust to your environment in real time, ensuring optimal sound isolation whether you're in a bustling coffee shop or quiet office. For professionals and remote workers, the 6 beam-forming microphones are exceptional for crystal-clear calls. These mics actively reduce wind and background noise interference, while the personal sound amplification feature lets you customize ambient sound levels to create your ideal calling environment. Moreover, the multi-point connection capability allows effortless switching between Bluetooth devices, so you can transition from watching videos on your tablet to answering calls on your phone without missing a beat. Battery life is outstanding with 12 hours of continuous playback per charge, plus an additional 36 hours stored in the charging case, totaling an impressive 48 hours with ANC turned off. Furthermore, the quick charge feature delivers 4 hours of playtime with just a 10-minute USB-C charge, and the case supports wireless charging for ultimate convenience. The IP55 waterproof and dustproof rating makes these earbuds perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, gym goers, and anyone with an active lifestyle. The touchscreen interface on the charging case is remarkably intuitive, displaying battery levels, EQ settings, and allowing you to adjust noise cancellation modes without reaching for your phone. This feature particularly benefits fitness enthusiasts who keep their phones tucked away during workouts or professionals who need quick adjustments during meetings. However, one notable downside some users may find is the slightly bulkier charging case compared to competitors, which might not fit comfortably in smaller pockets. The touchscreen, while innovative, does add extra thickness that could be inconvenient for those prioritizing ultra-portability. The sound quality truly shines across all genres, from bass-heavy electronic music to acoustic performances requiring delicate detail reproduction. The adaptive ANC performs admirably in various environments, automatically adjusting its intensity based on ambient noise levels. Whether you're commuting on noisy public transport or working in a quiet library, these earbuds adapt seamlessly. For gaming enthusiasts and content creators, the low-latency connection ensures perfect audio-video synchronization, while the extended battery life supports marathon sessions. The combination of premium sound quality, innovative features, and robust build quality positions the JBL Live Beam 3 as a top contender in the premium wireless earbuds market. You got it. So, that's it for the best true wireless earbuds with touchscreen technology on the market for this year. Like this video, comment if you're gonna buy them or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews.